Unang-una, yung sinabi namin kanina, delays and detours can be used by God to lead us to His destiny. So do not hate delays. Just be still and know that He is God. He will use those delays and detours to bring you to something better, to bring you even to His best will for your life. Pangalawa, doon sa mga in a relationship at sigurado kayo sa isa't isa, doon sa mga mag-asawa na naririto, fight for your love. Fight for your marriage. But do not fight with your love. Kasi hindi mo yan kaaway at hindi mo yan kakumpetensya. Ang iyong partner ay ibinigay sa iyo ng Panginoon, you are in the same team. So fight for that love that God gave you. At yung pangatlo, we love because God first loved us. Kung kinilig kayo, natawa, natuwa doon sa mga kwento namin sa inyo ni Winnie, kung paano kami nagligawan, paano kami nagsimula, hindi yun dahil sa amin, hindi yun dahil mabait kami. Nagawa namin yon at naranasan namin dahil una kaming minahal ng Diyos. At yung love ni God ang naging standard namin.